Alright, so inside this video, we like answering two question. Number one, and something orthography. Na number two, you got Tok Pisin orthography or no that. Thing in time you write the English, you start using English alphabet. Now you sabihin all English spelling rules. Example, this the word diction or dictionary, and that is like sh sound inside long. That's all. You mean put him sh. Then you write the English. You may put him tion diction and ary dictionaries. You may not put him e. You may put him ary. You may not put him I. You may put him y. So this time all spelling rules law English. Alright. So time we talk alphabet, spelling rules, or rules to write law English and dictating law and orthography. So orthography among the system to write one of this. Number two, ask him, you may got Tok Pisin orthography or not? Yes, you may got Tok Pisin orthography. You can find this inside the Jacaranda Dictionary and Grammar of Melanesian Pidgin among all the book. So inside of them, you got all spelling rule system. You got alphabet system. So don't have the video me by Tok lo alphabet lo Tok Pisin na all sampla spelling rules.